comes. This is the earth. Now, how to fix the time? For that, we use sundial concept. We use what called old concept called what? Sundial. Remember sundial? Sun rays are falling at a place when shadow is the shortest, sun is at the highest point in the sky. Okay, highest point in the sky. That time is fixed as mid-day or mid-afternoon, 12 noon. And before become AM and after become PM. Okay, sundial concept is used. Sundial is used. Sundial means when, right, understand, sun is which position? Highest point in sky. Highest point in sky, and sun rays are falling what? When sun is overhead, sun rays are overhead, sunlight is falling onto the ground which direction? Vertically, perpendicularly. Second requirement, when sun is highest point in the sky and sun rays falls what? Perpendicular to the place. Sun rays falls perpendicular to the, this is symbol for perpendicularity, 90 degrees. Sun rays are falling vertically. And the shadow, okay, shadow found by the object during this time of the day is what? Longest or shortest? Shortest. Shadow found is shortest. This is the characteristic of sundial. How to fix the sundial? India में जंतर मंतर जैसे जगह है. You heard of जंतर मंतर? How many places? Right, very good. How many places in India have jantar mantar? This is an open astronomical observatories. I visited 2 of them, but India में 5 हैं total. How many are there in India? 5. Indore, not Indore, Ujjain. Remember one article I've shared in my group also, it come in the newspaper also. Vedic clock. सुना आप लोग ना Vedic clock? Vikramaditya clock. Heard this? It was in the news, I think. Hindu में भी था शायद किसी paper में था recently. And the government has inaugurated that. You heard of Vedic clock? सुना नहीं आप लोगों ने? Okay, Ujjain. Let me put you in this way. Vedic clock is the ancient clock. How to fix the ancient timings? They use the longitude that passes through Ujjain. Mahakal. You heard of Mahakal? What this Maha or Kal means? Time. Great time. Kal means the time. That Vedic clock started from Ujjain. Mahakal is the temple. That becomes the source of naming it. So, you know, this is the world's first time ancient time has been fixed from Ujjain. For India, for the entire world has been fixed up in the ancient times. And Vedic clock has been being used. They are using which concept? There is a Jantar Mantar also there. You can see the observatories. When sun rays what? Falls vertically to the place of shadow found by the object is what? Shortest, and the sun is at the highest point in the sky. That time is fixed. That's called 12 noon. At Ujjain, at Vedic clock, how does Vedic clock operate? So there is a line, longitudinal lines are mentioned. When the sun rays falls on that, the time is fixed as 12 noon. And before become what? AM and after become